right, so the only other cruise ship in port with us today is Allure of the Seas. And you can see her down over there. Let's see if I can get in a little bit closer on Allure. But yep, Allure is down there for Royal Caribbean today. And then, of course, this one, the Ruby Princess.
Mika, right turn!
Well, a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board Ruby Princess. If you are ready for your 80s cruise, come on, make some noise! Good energy, good she, folks. Like Tim said, my name is Mick and it's my pleasure to be your cruise director for these next 5 days. And what a cruise we have planned for you. Some great 80s tributes, acts for you with entertainment, wonderful ports of call, and a very hard-working, international, happy crew that's going to serve as your consummate host for these next 5 days. Now, it's been a while since you have cruised before. A few things may have changed. Well, one thing that has not changed is we are ready to show you a good time. Now, we've got our wonderful entertainment team, your cruise director team, going to keep you entertained every single day on this cruise. They are up here, they're going to say hello. Big round of applause as we do that. All the way from Zimbabwe, this is Abigail. From Colombia, this is Sita. From India, this is DJ Calvin. From Spain, this is Javier. From Mexico, this is Angie. And from Venezuela, this is Rafael. We're gonna get this party started, ladies and gentlemen. Please make some noise for your Ruby Princess singers and dancers.
Oh no, let's go, we are young, we are one, let it shine for what it's worth. To your place, we're on our way, we're on our way, we're on our way somehow. Hold me close, we're losing time, we're losing time, we're falling to love now. I am sailing home again. I am sailing for the water. Yeah, tell me free. To your place, we're on our way, we're on our way, we're on our way somehow. Hold me close, we're losing time, we're losing time, we're falling to the ground. We are one, let it shine for what it's worth. To your place, we're on our way, we're on our way, we're on our way somehow. Hold me close, we're losing time, we're losing time, we're falling to the ground. Don't sail away, don't sail away, don't sail away with me. Sail away with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's do it for your Ruby Princess singers and dancers. Oh, they are fantastic, ladies and gentlemen. Now, you know what cruising is all about: discovering new experiences, discovering new places, and meeting new friends. And strangers are just friends we haven't met yet. Now, let's turn to the person to the right of you and say, happy sailings!
Happy sailing!
I can feel the love already. For your Ruby Princess singers and dancers! If you know this song, folks, we want to see you singing along, clapping along, dancing along. Here we go.
Don't you dare look back, just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. Don't think about it, just move your body. Listen to the music, sing oh hey oh. Show them what you can do. Pretend you got the yeah. I don't know about you, but I feel better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. I'm better when I'm dancing. Yeah, yeah. We can do this together. Bet you feel better when you're dancing. Yeah, yeah. Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. I think I see the future. I realize this is my last chance. It's my arm. I don't know how it happened. Don't you say? Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance. Don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny. She said ooh, shut up and dance with me. Shut up and shut up and shut up and shut up and dance with me.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear for your groovy princess singers and dancers. All right, folks, you've seen us dance. Now it is time for you to dance right now. Come on down to the dance floor. Join your singers, join your dancers, join your cruise directors team. If you can do the electric slide, you can do this dance with a little bit more. But wherever you are, that's 15, 16, 19, 234 up there. If you can hear the music, we want to see you moving and grooving. But come on down to the dance floor. Join us for your very own Cruise Sailaway line dance. Here we go. Let's clap those hands, folks. Let's get some energy and G up here. Today's the day that we get away for a picture.
We're riding deep with our friends on the sea, we'll explore. And I share the dreams, and the dream is what lies before us. And the waves will carry us to far off distant shores. Away, away, hear the ocean call away, away. We'll love to see away, away. Just light on the horizon and sail away, away, away. Party puts us to far off places. Inspiration. This is where we've been. This is what's in store. Cause in the something we're on our way. Away, away. And the and sail away. Away, 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 away.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's hear it for your Ruby Princess singing Texas Cruise Director Scene.
It's a celebration. Here we go again. Here we go again. Here we go again. That's right. We can celebrate. Celebrate good times. Come on. Let's celebrate. Come on now. Celebrate good times. Come on. Let's celebrate. There's a party going on right here. It's a celebration. Gonna last you right here. You got your good times and your laughter too. We're gonna celebrate your party with you. Come on. Celebration. Let's all just celebrate. Have a good time.
Welcome on board Ruby Princess and welcome to your home away from home. Like Tim said, my name is Mika and it's my pleasure to be your cruise director for this 80s cruise. Are you excited for your 80s cruise? Yeah! What about the UK? Where's our British passengers? Very good. Well done. The rest are in the bar. Okay, well done, young lady. What about Canada? Drunk already. Very good. Great stuff, Canada. And there may be a few people from the United States of America. Just over 2,800 of you on board this cruise, which is absolutely amazing. It says Cruise Directors Team! Here they come! Gentlemen, all right, he comes all the way from India. This is DJ Calvin! From Mexico, this is Angie! From Spain, this is Javier! From Zimbabwe, this is Abigail! From Colombia, this is Caesar! Make sure you get to know him. And this young lady right here is the luckiest lady on the 7 seas. If you love money and your chance to win money at bingo, with deal or no deal, this is the lady to see. Make some noise for Fortuna La! Please welcome the comedy, Mr. Ralph.
Like this the whole show. Let me see you up there. Let me see you up there. Who flew in today? Okay. So you tired? Look. I can hear you, but I was clearly looking that way. I'll come back to you. Let me work in the back of the room, then I'll come down to the front, because you seem to want to talk to me. So, but you're here. Now let me do this show now. This family is weird. Stop it. How you doing, Dad? You all right? You drove all these noisy people in your car the whole time. You didn't even need to listen to music. You're like, shut up, I want to hear my song. Woo! How you doing? Normally it's louder for Canada. How you doing, Canada? You all right? How about anybody from Boston? New York? Okay, it's getting real weird. It wasn't the whole audience from Texas. So Florida, anybody from Florida? You came from, you know we got ships that go. You didn't have to do this to yourself. And right outside your door, you could have just walked across the street and got on the ship. Arkansas, and you just came in, right? Because the show, what time was it in the brochure? You know, you didn't even look. You just said, the door is open. Let's just go in the doors. Okay, you're going to be late for a lot of stuff. I just want you to know that. Thanks for coming into the show. Take your belt off and everything. I ain't got nothing on. And now people want me to go in this thing and put my hands up. And I'm like, sir, my pants ain't going to stay up. My butt ain't like it used to be. I don't want nobody to see me like this. Every 2 feet, I'm gonna need to see your ID. I just showed it to him. what you saw. You can't sit by the emergency door. They got rules. Are you ready and capable? Don't be emergency door. Emergency. Your ticket is $23. Your luggage is $478. It's like, how they get away with this? I was wearing 9 days worth of clothes walking through this. Like, sir, you gotta take some of that off. No, I ain't. You better get out my face. I don't know what level my belt is on. Shut up and get off. When you first sit down in the seat, the first position is like this. When you recline, it's just straight up. I was like, what? Where's the seatbelt? You didn't pay for one. What? Spirit Airline is the only airline that'll sell you a strap for you to stand up the whole flight. Anybody here work for Spirit? Because I meant what I said. I don't care if you do or not. Spirit Airline. Hey, you shouldn't do people like that. Didn't make him crow. I don't be playing. I'll knock everybody in the house out. Police say what happened. I'll knock them out. Stand them up. I'll do it again. I ain't got nothing to do today. But I was in the war. Who would I was.
Day number 1, embarkation day here on Princess Cruise Lines. Our first Princess cruise ever. It was a good day.
It was a good day.
It was a good day. We have found quite a few things here on day 1 that we like about Princess Cruise Lines. Liking the medallion, like how it works. We have the Princess Plus package that I mentioned, and so far it's been a benefit. It's nice just to go up to the bar and get pretty much whatever you want. We of course have already partaken in a premium dessert.
Yes, that was really good.
Didn't take any pictures. We'll get some more pictures. That's not going to be the only premium dessert we're going to eat. But yeah, you get 2 premium desserts a day. That is a lot of dessert though.
It's worth it.
To eat 2 a day each?
One for breakfast, one for dinner.
All right. So this is a cruise where we're going to come back and weigh even more than before we even left, because apparently Tiffany just wants to eat desserts.
Yes.
But we've had a good time just kind of exploring around the ship. We've just kind of grazed around food-wise. We ate a slice of pizza, had a premium dessert. We ate in the buffet for lunch.
Had a snack at the International Cafe.
Had a snack at the International Cafe. So yeah, we just been kind of grazing around. And I'll say this much before we close out for today. I don't know if it's going to be an everyday thing or if it's a princess thing, but the Lido deck, come about 8:45, 9 o'clock, just became like a ghost town. It was like, whew, they were done. So we'll see if that continues on. But for tonight, we're going to go ahead and get some sleep. Tomorrow is a sea day. We have different activities that we're going to be doing around and just still exploring around and kind of, forming our opinion of Princess Cruise Lines. But that's going to be it for tonight. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out any new videos, like the video we put out today where Tiffany would not lick the ice bunny. But I hope everybody's having a really great day. And like always,
We'll see you out on the high seas.